I'm with Shawn Mansur. He's with Stellrr Insulation. We've been going back and forth probably 4 or 5 years now,
Yeah.
right? Yep. It's got a couple of blowers and a couple of vacuums.
Exactly.
So what do you think about the Cool Machine?
It's a great product. I had a Myers, I guess, beforehand, and it was about as old as I am. Didn't work so well, and wanted to figure out what was the best product on the market. Got introduced to Barry and the Cool Machines, and it's an incredible product. We use them every day.
Yeah, and you're rolling out rig after rig this morning. That's good. You
Yeah.
can see you getting a lot of work. Got your dad involved in the company and everything, running through the maintenance of the vacuum this morning.
Exactly.
That was good. I appreciate your business.
Yeah, well, thank you.
You know, and
Thank you.
finally getting out your direction. Meet you here in
Yeah.
Austin, Texas.
I'll tell you what's been good for me is on the rare occasions that I've had to call for help, your staff is just amazing. The courtesies that they have on the phone, they've got the equipment that I need. It arrives 1-2 days later. I one time thought that I had my remote that was busted down. As it turned out, it wasn't. Shawn came in and says, "Oh, Dad, do this, this, and this, and it's going to work again."
Yeah.
And it did. So I've got that brand new one sitting at the house going, okay, if we ever break down, I've got a replacement. But the staff has just been amazing at their courtesy and their helpfulness in getting repair parts in for us. And I appreciate that a lot.
Yeah, I'll tell you, that's one of the reasons why I sell Cool brand, because they're always available for me too. They really are a great company to work with and sell their products. So I appreciate you, Wayne, and nice to meet you too. And
Get to meet.
good to see you guys taking care of that equipment this morning.